man, give thanks to the power within, the deepest essence. It is for eternity. Rastafari. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from the east, rise from the east. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from the east, rise from the east. Them can't see this, them want to see this. Rastafari, Selassie the first. It's the uprising, and we love to steam our herbs around the fireplace. Yes, I'm inviting each and every one, positive one, to come and steam with the uprising around the fireplace. Rastafari, heights up around the fireplace. Sit around the fireplace. Come around the fireplace and sip some steamers. Heights up around the fireplace. Sit around the fireplace. Come around the fireplace and sip some steamers. Feel this. What a sweet sensation. What a cool vibration coming from above, coming from. Blessed love.
They wanna know.
Give thanks to the blessings. Give thanks to the blessing, Daddy. Give thanks to the blessing, Mommy. Give thanks to the blessing uprising. I blessings keep on growing each day. I and I blessings keep on growing each day. I blessings keep on growing each day. I and I blessings keep on growing each day. Do good and good will follow you. Just give a helping hand.
Give it, give it, give it.
Say don't you push. Yeah man, this one is to the people them who love staying at bed late. Wake up and live. Rise up this morning, the uprising. Breathe fire, sky fire. Rise up this morning, the uprising. Breathe fire, sky fire. Rise up this morning, the uprising. Breathe fire, sky fire. Rise up this morning, the uprising. Breathe fire. Yeah man, give thanks to the power within, the deepest essence. It is for eternity. Rastafari. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from the east, rise from the east. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light shines from the east, rise from the east. Them can't see this, them want to see this. Them can't see this, them want to see this. Get the check. Yeah man, Selassie the first. the uprising. Better believe it. Get a youth, stop the willy lynching. Know yourself, be yourself. Been a buckle up on shelf, your soul you got sell. Know yourself, be yourself. Know yourself, love yourself. Been a buckle up on shelf, your soul you got sell. Know yourself, be yourself. Every day it's the same thing. On the corner keep yapping. No Gaza and no goalie can't get we out. King Selassie, yeah, him run the road. So every day uprising, heighting. My bamboo chalice and my herb keep steaming. My people know yourself. Life is everything. Know yourself, be yourself. Been a back up on shelf, your soul you go sell again. Know yourself, be yourself. Empress Menenai,
Ya Asantua,
Queen Sheba,
Queen Nzinga,
Empress Take Two,
Nani of the Maroon,
and all the strong women of the world. Most royal, most loyal woman of this earth. Most royal, most loyal Empress Menenai. Most royal, most loyal woman of this earth. Most royal, most loyal Empress Menenai. Every day another baby born. Mother Earth feeds each and every one. Out of darkness, here comes the brightest light. Uprising, shining so bright. Sankofa,
I am my ancestor,
Kushites,
Imhotep,
Queen Sheba,
Ya Asantua,
Amy Jade Scarvey,
Rosa Parks,
Marcus Mosiah Garvey, Marcus Mosiah Garvey. I'm singing about Marcus Mosiah. Leon, 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 Leon. Who can hear? Them a go feel it. 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 Many wars fighting Addis Ababa. Mozillian is forced this and get conquered. Who defeated them all? The conquering Lion of Judah. Selassie the first. Uprising rule and nation. Light up all ages, the brightest light, come forth and brighten our life. Shining so bright in the morning light, Rasta youth and one wall of heights. Shining so bright in the morning light, Uprising now go first nor fight. Stop the fighting,
It's a brand new day.
for uniting,
It's a brand new day.
to be caring. It's a brand new day. Shining so bright in the morning light, Rasta youth and one wall of height. Shining so bright in the morning light, Uprising now go first nor fight. Shining so bright in the morning light, Aingi youths keep on unite. Shining so bright in the morning light, deep within is the brightest light. Rastafari, Selassie the first. It's the uprising, which represents the uprising, the sky fire. Telling each and every one to keep it on the brighter side, the positive side, no matter what is going on. People are dying, children are starving. You give the youths them pollution, lead them to temptation. Yes, I know, brighter days. Yes, I know. Record.